Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Cransby and in this video I'll tell you more about why the BNB hype is back, why the tokens are pumping like crazy there, and yes, I will show you where to trade on and how to make money, how to be profitable on BNB chain. So let's just get into it. Alright boys and girls, so the first thing you'll definitely do, you can see in the bio section there's a Maestro bot link. Yes, that is the bot I'm personally using trading on BNB, and let's just set it up and I'll show you how to do it. So you simply type sniper, then you press wallet, then you press BST, then you press generate wallet. It will give you the C phrase and stuff like that. You definitely keep that safe, don't lose it. Then when you have done that, you simply type quick, and yes, let's set up this buy slippage and settings like that. So you press on buy slippage, you type 1000, then make sure you have pressed on anti-mev. It's basically so you don't get mev'd. If you get mev'd, your buy will literally be sent to the fucking moon, so make sure you have turned on anti-mev. So the next thing you have to do is you have to press on buy gas price. It's a transaction fee you should pay per transaction on Binance Smart Chain. So I'm personally using 50, which is around 70 cents per trade. So once you have done that, you are good to go.
But how, Cransby? How do you make money trading on BNB right now?
Let me show you. So the next thing you definitely do, you have to go to GMGN. This is the website I'm personally just checking the tokens, but you can also trade on. So let me quickly walk you through the filter section. You press on the filters, then on a filter section I have 8k minimum market cap and maximum 60k market cap. So it means the token is old up to 30 minutes. Then you press apply. Next one, on a completing I have also filters. 20k minimum market cap and up to 60k market cap. Nothing on age. Then you press apply. And on completed, I don't have any kind of filters because I want to see every single token which has migrated. And by the way guys, the reason why I'm trading on Maestro is just because I like it better, and I have been trading on Maestro for years when it comes to the BNB chain. So once you're fully done with the filter section, the next thing you have to do is you have to look out for how many holders are there. If the number is like 7, 5 and stuff like that with these filters, then it means that one guy has literally like 20 plus percentage of the supply. You don't want that. Then of course right here you can see already the socials, what this token is about, what's the hype about it. Is it a pure meme, is it a tweet and stuff like that. And if CZ or anyone from Binance team, posts some sort of meme or stuff like that, bullish news, then it's literally a mooner. So make sure you also look out for the tweets from them, because tweets are getting bid insane right now. But let me actually show you what is happening on BSC chain right now. So particularly this token launched on 19th of March. Today, as we know, is 22 of March and it's already on 26 million market cap. Even same applies here. This particular token launched on 13th of March. Today, it's at 123 million market cap and it's already listed on Binance Futures. Same applies here. This token launched literally yesterday and it's right now on 6 million market cap. Even this token launched today and it pumped to 1 milli. Literally, there is an insane movement on this chain right now. Make sure you definitely follow the volume and don't fade the Chinese mooners, because they are bidding stuff like crazy. And the answer is super simple. Yes, BNB chain right now is insanely hot. Always make sure you follow the volume. That is the main rule of being a profitable degen. With that being said, that's it for this YouTube video. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed it same as I did creating it. And yes, I just started the YouTube game, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel, as it will just keep motivate me to push myself even harder. Anyways, till the next one. Peace!